Hey guys, today we are going to see about Outfit with 3 routing policies. Hmm, So there are multiple routing policies, but in this lecture we are going to see simple routing policy and beta routing policy. Remaining we will see it in next lecture. Okay. So I have a hosted zone. Yeah, I have this name server and SOA. I have added this name server into my GoDaddy domain. Okay, I'm going to create on record. Click create record. So here you can see the routing policy is by default simple routing. Simple routing is nothing but it is simply have one value and it will give that value when you query the domain. Okay, so you can add multiple value if it is IPv4, simple IPv4, but if you enable the alias here, right, you can only provide a single value because it's route traffic to the direct AWS resources. But when you add multiple value in simple routing, it will pick a random value every TTL. Every TTL seconds, right? So let's say if you give 30 seconds of TTL for a value from multiple value, okay, it will pick a random value every 30 second. Okay, so I'm going to provide one value here. I have a EC2 instance in two region, Hyderabad and Mumbai. So this is from Hyderabad, and I can add both EC2 instance IP. Okay, so I keep TTL 30 second and simple routing policy, and that is for root SIOB.in. Okay, create records. So now if I access SIOB.in, it will take one value, randomly pick one value, and it will hit that web server. Okay, so let me SIOB. Yeah, so it picked Mumbai's one. Okay, now if we do dig, so this is Cloud Cell instant terminal that you get it in cloud. So I'm going to do dig for that domain. Here you can see I get two values. So this dig command, when you launch Cloud Cell initially, you need to install bind utils. Okay, I think I already explained this in previous video. You can follow that. And after 30 second, right, if you dig again, you can get that there is 7 second, 3 second, 1 second. If you hit this, now here you can see SIOB.in is accessing the Hyderabad website. Okay, so this is how simple routing work. Next we will see beta routing. Click create record. So now we are going to create a baited routing policy record. So I'm going to provide a subdomain beta.siob.in. For this record, I'm going to provide two different values for same beta.siob.in domain. Okay, so I think I can take it from here. Okay, so for TTL, for demo purpose, I'm keeping 3 second. Here I need to choose weighted policy. Here you need to provide a weight for a records. Okay, so based on this weight value, the request will be provided for that value. So let's say I give 50% for this value, and I will give a record. This is just to identify the record. So I think this is Hyderabad, right? So let me give HID. Okay, so click add another record, same subdomain, and your value will be different EC2 instance IP. TTL 3 second and weighted policy and 50. So for demo purpose I'm giving 50 50, but some other scenario there will be 50 20, 10, like that. So I will provide a identify by click create records. Yeah, record has been created. If I copy this domain and hit, I got Mumbai regions, right? So we can also check in command line. Yeah, here you can see you get one value here, right? So if I, yeah, now we got different value. Yeah, here you can see if I hit this in incognito, I can access this with the Hyderabad site. Okay, this is how a weighted policy works. Based on weighted value, the DNS query will provide a different values. So let's say if you provide 100 for this value and sorry, 90 for this value and 10 for this value, most of the request will get 90 weighted values, right? Only 10 percentage of request get the other value. So this use case will work on testing, right? So you wanted to test some new features with some traffics, like 10% of traffic you can have weighted on same domain. Okay, okay guys, this is all about weighted and simple routing policy. We will see remaining policies in next lecture. Thank you.